Hi there, students. Blurb. Blurb, a great word. This is a noun. I think I would most usually use this as an uncountable noun, but it can be countable. Okay, the blurb is a short description of something that normally comes on the packet, or you go into a bookshop and you pick up a book and then you turn it over and you read the blurb on the back. So it's this short description written by the people who produce the product, and it's intended to make people want to buy it. So the blurb on the back says that this product will do absolutely anything. The blurb on the back of the book says that you're not going to be able to put this book down. It's just fantastic. Okay, so the blurb is a brief description of something, particularly intended to make it seem attractive when you're trying to sell it. The blurb about this says that you're never going to need another one. Yeah, but this blurb, it's particularly common on the cover of a book, or something written about a film or a DVD. Yeah, the publisher's blurb. This is the best crime novel ever written. The promotional blurb about this says you're not going to put it down. The blurb on the back cover says this is the best book ever written. Okay, so blurb, a short description of a product or a book or a film written for promotional purposes. Yes, the first time I saw the blurb about this, I didn't believe it, but the blurb actually turned out to be true. Okay, so yeah, it's the information that's written about it. The blurb in the catalogue about this exhibition is there to arouse people's interest. Okay, so blurb, a short description, usually for promotional purposes. Notice this is an informal word. I think I would probably give this something like 4 out of 10 informality. The information on the back or something like that. They say, but use this informally. The origin of this word's quite interesting. Apparently it was first invented by an American publisher, Frank Munsey, and then it was made famous by an American humorist, I think in the early 1900s, something like 1907, Frank Burgess, and he used this word blurb to make jokes about the excessive praise that is normally printed on the back cover of a book. Yeah, they take quotes from different people to say this is the most fantastic book ever, and that's where it came from. I think probably it's rather onomatopoeic. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, just words that don't actually really contain anything, and that's the idea. Can you use it as a verb? Maybe. I would never use it as a verb. To blurb, to write blurb, or to quote the blurb. But yeah. Okay, so blurb, the information on the cover, the information on the packet. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Don't believe the promotional blurb about things. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Blurb.